In today's video I'm going to show you the difference between starting a project with single crochet and doing a standing single crochet. For me, I prefer the standing. I've been doing it for years, just realized there's an actual real name for it. So when you start technically off single crochet, you can just start anywhere that you wanted to on the end of a project or whatever, and just pull through a loop like so, and then just start up and you chain one, and then you single crochet into the beginning stitch. So then you just keep burying your yarn as you go. So the difference between what I just did here is that the front end never looks the same when you're doing it this way. However, that's the standard of crochet and that's considered normal, and we've considered that to be acceptable. And by saying we, I mean the industry. So you can just pull your work here and it will pull things nice and tight. But you notice that the first single crochet never looks the same as the rest. So the advantage of the standing single crochet is changing the way that you're going to start. So how to do that is that you're going to start off with the slip knot instead on your hook, and again you can start this on an edge. I'm just gonna show you in the middle, and then you insert into the project. Now what you want to do is you want to loop the yarn, so just yarning over and pulling through and scooping it. So instead of pulling it through this loop, you're going to treat that now as your regular single crochet and leave down your single strand and then just finish it. So pull through the two, and there is your first single crochet, and it looks normal. It looks like the original, and it all looks like it's well imbalanced, and it looks like a real true finished stitch. So just to quickly recap that, so we're just going to create a slip knot first, and you can go in your project anywhere you want on the end or whatever, and just going in, just pulling it through. Don't pull it through the other loop yet, and then just yarning over, pulling it through two, and then just continue to single crochet as normal, and that's a standing single crochet.